Now, this next topic is only really meant for the top set, so only just you can have a go at this for a bit of fun if you like, but don't worry too much if you don't get this next bit. Okay, well, I want you to first of all look at this sum here. We've got denominator 36 and 6. And using the method I showed you before, you would use a common denominator of 216, okay? But it turns out it's kind of messy and it's correct, but it's not the best way to do it. The key is to spot that 6 divides beautifully into 36, okay? And so I can use a lower common denominator of 36 itself. And you can see here that 6 goes into 36 6 times. And so you're just going to multiply that by 6. And nothing's happened to this fraction. But I still have a common denominator, and go a plus 6b is over 36. Well, you might not think that's particularly interesting, but we can make it more difficult, because in the hard top set algebraic fraction ones, of which there will be very few questions, you're going to get something like 2 over x plus 3 over x squared. Now I want you to see the relationship. Now I could use x cubed as a common denominator, okay, but that's not the most. Just like 36 is the better than the 216, I am going to use the common denominator x squared. And you can see nothing's happened to that, so nothing should happen to that. This got multiplied by x, so the same thing should happen here. So you get 2x. And then you can bring it all together, 2x plus 3. These are not like terms, so you have to leave them separate. We've finished our answer. Now, if you're lucky, you'll get a question like that, but you might get one that is a little bit more complicated. So let's imagine you had 2 over 4x plus 5 over 8x squared. Well, I'm going to look at the numbers separately. We've already discussed that as far as the x's are concerned, okay, the best common denominator is x squared. And here I could use 32, but actually 8's better, isn't it? So because 4 divides so beautifully into 8. So here nothing's happened to that, so nothing should happen to that. But this has been multiplied by 2, and it's been multiplied by x. So this is multiplied by 2x. We're going to get 4x. And finally I can bring it all together again. Bring it 8x squared. Okay? Well, don't worry if, as I said, there will be very few marks on this.